Importing Figma to Framer is a seamless process that allows you to leverage your Figma designs and turn them into interactive prototypes in Framer. Here's how you can do it. Open your Figma file. Start by opening the Figma file you want to import into Framer. Ensure that your design is finalized and ready for export. Export the Figma file. In Figma, select the frames or components you want to import. Click on the Figma file menu and select Export. You can export them as SVG, PNG or JPG. But for the best results, SVG is recommended for scalability and quality. Use Framer's Figma import tool. Go to Framer and open your project. On the left sidebar, click on the Import button and choose Figma. Framer will ask for permission to connect with your Figma account. Connect Figma account. Log into your Figma account when prompted. Framer will ask for access to the Figma file you want to import. Select the file and choose the frames or components you wish to bring into Framer. Adjust your design. Once imported, Framer will convert your Figma design into editable layers. You can now refine your design, add interactions, and create animations. Prototype and test. After importing, use Framer's prototyping tools to add interactions and animations to your design. Then, preview the interactive prototype directly in Framer.